price, and all the time that I've been collecting, this is a mask that I've been needing in my life. And I just got it right now. I'm gonna stand on business. Okay, standing on business. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing a box. No, I'm kidding. You guys are gonna see right now. If you are interested to see what's in the box, then keep on watching. Oops. So the seller that I got this from is from Etsy, and the seller's name is CORVIDEUS. I hope I say it correctly. If I don't, I am sorry. I am a dumbass. Certified dumbass. Certified forklifter. Me, I love supporting small artists, or I love supporting... I feel like it's so backhanded saying small artists. Like, you're a big artist to me in my eyes, okay? Alright. But this mask is so hard to find, and I don't want to be bugging on my friends in the mask community to be like, hey, point me at to this seller, because low-key I don't have a lot of money. And I had ordered this mask like way before I quit my job, and all right, I don't know. I don't want to be bugging my friends in the mask community and be like, ugh. Just breathing next to them, I feel like I bug them. But yeah, I just went out of my own way, and I'm like, you know what, let me try to find somebody that sells this type of mask on my own, and I did find it. So thank you, CORVIDEUS, for being that seller and mask creator. Oh my god, you guys are gonna take the first look because y'all are special. I am so nervous.
You're blocking your face.
That's okay. I'm covering my eyes. Who did it look? How did it look? Am I holding it right?
No, turn it upside down.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Why he look like a cone head? Honestly, I cannot be mad for the price. A lot of other people would be paying like a lot of money. I know I'm gonna get so clowned on this video. A lot of the serious mask collectors out there are gonna trash me for going on Etsy, but come on, to me this is a piece of work of art, and I don't want to go above what I can buy responsibly to afford a cool mask. So you know what, I'm gonna support somebody from Etsy, and I really like this scope. And once again, I'm not like a professional historian of mask. I mean, I am a serious mask collector, but at the end of the day, I just collect things that I find pretty and what I like. But this mask is fucking cool, and I like it. The hair is better than my own hair. It's soft. Ooh. Who did your hair, girl? Let's lift under the wig. Oh my god. It's softer than mine. So I don't know what the quality is made out of from, so I'm not the channel that is very informative on masks. I highly recommend checking these mask collectors. They know what they're talking about. I'm just collecting because this is like something that I really like. And yeah, this mask has always been my favorite mask since I was a kid. I was born in '99, but you know what, I was raised by those that had a childhood in their teen years in the 90s, and they just happened to be into Slipknot, and I just really like Slipknot. And the first mask that anyone will recognize from discovering Slipknot is this clown, West German clown mask. And yeah, I liked all versions of this. I keep hitting the mask. I really liked all versions of this mask. Like, it looks really fucking cool. Like, you just can't deny that it looks cool. But yeah, seriously, if you guys are like on a budget and you guys want a sweet ass mask from a sweet ass artist, go check out CORVIDEUS on Etsy. And the listing is under West German Clown. Thank you so much, CORVIDEUS, for taking the time out of your day. And yeah. I feel so corny saying like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm like, that gives me the ick. I'm like,
You can also look.
Water's gonna model the mask because my hand is freaking tired. Okay, what? No, water, you do not fit. You are too little for the mask. Sean Crayon. I'm gonna keep that in. Everybody's gonna hate me. Sean Crayon. I can't pronounce things with my accent. I'm canceled. All the dumbass fans, everybody, done. Canceled. I'm out of the community. Bye. Like I care.